This year, Toby, you're the special attraction.
Thank you, sir, said Toby. But what does a special attraction do?
Oh, just smiles and blows whistles at everyone, replied his driver. We're almost there. Listen, you can hear the seagulls.
Soon, they reached the little station by the village. But instead of a big welcome, there was just one man. He whispered to Toby's driver and turned sadly away.
Well, if that doesn't take the biscuit,
said Toby's driver.
They've run out of room in the parade and don't need a special attraction after all. We've got to go home, Toby. I'm sorry, old boy.
So am I, sighed Toby.